Coca-Cola ribs. 78 grams of sugar per bottle. Huh. These are gonna be fan-freaking-tastic. So first thing we gotta do, so on these ribs, I got them on sale. 2 racks, 15 bucks. I'm a savvy shopper, what can I say? So let's take them out of the plastic here first. And we're gonna wanna remove that skin, that membrane on the back. So right here. We'll see. You got a big rack! Lay it down flat. Okay. So now my hands are all slimy, but you should be able to just slide a knife right up and under and then peel back like that, okay? But my one hand is now slippery and it shouldn't be, but I'll grab a paper towel. Already had it prepared, okay? And peel it off just like that, okay? And then I'd like to bring in for a closer look, but now my hands are slimy, so I cannot. So same way, so I'll show you here so you could see without me changing anything. So see right here, you see right here, there's a little membrane, some will say skin membrane. So take your knife, just be gentle, put it under that first, and you can start peeling and lifting up, and then put some pressure, apply some pressure to it and pull away until you get it started, just like that, and you could still finish off and get in on the rest, okay? Try and show you here. Amy, I'll try and keep it in front of the camera. You can see that. So you see how it's peeling off, just like that, okay? And if you can grip it with your knife, great. If not, back to your paper towel and pull just like that. See? And it comes right off. Now, I am going to wash up. Think about Stone Cold Steve Austin right here when he would do his beer in the ring. Bring in so you can see that sizzle. Doo-doo. Yeah, it's a lot of sugar, and we know it. We got to cover these ribs up. Right? Depending on the depth of your pan or your tray, I'm using here 2 bottles, and I've got a third just in case because I want those completely smothered. And I am going to pop open a third. I want them covered. Tender as we can make them. Excellent. Okay, right there. One for luck. Now we're going to cover them. And we're going to put them in the fridge. Now, the longer you can leave them in the fridge, the better. Overnight, the better. 24 hours. To me, if you can get at least 2 hours like this, you're golden, okay? It's the real thing, baby. Going to dump all this out. So I filled with water. You can see here, once it stops waving around, it's about an inch or so in the tray, because I'm going to be steaming these. So I'm going to set that down. I'm going to start seasoning here on the backside first. Now, these racks are massive. Okay. We're optimistic they're going to be nice and tender. I mean, not the smartest in the world, but hey, what the heck. So, remember, the higher you go, the better. Better coverage. Press it down, don't rub it. If you rub it, we're just gonna rub them right out. So we don't wanna do that, okay? I'll turn it over. We can do the top side. In here, garlic and onion powder, salt and pepper, and I have some dried thyme. Better coverage the higher we go. So that's what we want. Including the ends. Never forget about the ends on your ribs, okay? Press. Press. Okay. Recheck coverage. Make sure we've got the ends over here too. We want lots of flavor. We're going to use it all. These things are going to be seasoned to the nines. So that's what we call covered and smothered. Spice everywhere. So now I'm going to make a tent because I'm going to be steaming these. All right. We'll need 2 pieces of foil. We're making a tent. Fold up one end. Fold up one end about 2 inches. Crease it. Other side about 2 inches. Crease it. Now take the 2 together. Just like that. They're even. Crease it over like you're making a little gift. Give it a fold. Give that a fold all the way to the end, and then we'll do it again. Okay? Pinch it down. Now we've got our little tent. We can simply go around the sides and seal that up. So if you don't have a smoker, this is a good alternative. We're gonna steam them. And then if we want, we can turn on the broiler, crisp them up a little bit once we make our sauce, or we can put them on the barbecue for a minute or two. Well, maybe more than a minute or two with our sauce as well. Give them that nice barbecue flavor. Either way, these are gonna be tender as ever. Our tent is nice and sealed up. In fact, when you give that one more turn down, and a little pop up. Just like that. Okay, in the oven. So I have been preheating the oven. Right now I've got it at 275. I'm gonna go 275 for about 2.5 hours. In they go. Now we go take a nap, 2 hours, come back, set the timer. I'm gonna fall asleep right through that nap, and then we're gonna finish off with this nice, beautiful Coca-Cola infused barbecue sauce. You've gotta check this one out. This is gonna be fantastic. Boom. We're about 2.5 hours in, so I'm starting up on the sauce here. I need about a cup of the real thing, Coca-Cola. 250 divided by 3, it's about a cup. Oh, we gotta take some Worcestershire. We need some ketchup. Honey for the money. Some pepper. A pinch of salt, not a punch, just a pinch. Oh. Some good sizzle going on there. And, uh-oh. Dang. Sugar. I'm out of onion powder. Garlic powder, though. Let's get it on the stove. Splish splash, she was taking a bath. Doo-doo-doo. Look at that Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola is fizzing. Oh, those smell freaking incredible. Dang dog. Are you ready for the grand reveal? Coca-Cola barbecue baby back ribs. Now we're still going to be basting them with the Coca-Cola based barbecue sauce, but this is the grand reveal right here. Now back up, don't get too close here because I don't want you to burn with the steam coming out, okay? Back up, watch yourselves, be careful, it's hot, it's hot. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Oh, that's hot. What am I doing? It's hot. I just told myself it's hot. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Oh, daddy like. Look at this. You know how tender these things are going to be. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, daddy like. Look. Oh, I could peel one off right now, but we're not going to because they're not ready yet. And they're bloody hot. Our sauce is still going. We're still working. There's still work to be done here before we're eating. Okay. So what I want to do now, 2 stages here. I want to get rid of the water that's underneath. Okay, so I'm going to take this top off. You can see what's underneath there. It's still steaming and still cooking. So we want to leave them rest for a few minutes. But do you know how good these smell? I mean, do you want to get in there? You got to get in there and check these out. Those aren't even done yet. I should say they don't have the finishing touches, but they are steamed. Look at this. Look, just perfect. They just started to brown. They're so tender. Where's my fork? There it is. Look, watch this if I can get in there without getting into a bone and show you. Oh, baby. Look how tender that is. It's just going. There it is. Oh, okay. I feel like this is food porn 101 right here. It's too hot. It's too hot. This food porn is too hot. Okay. That sauce is tasting money right now. Absolute money. So I'm just going to set this aside for a second. All right, here comes our Coca-Cola based sauce. That right in. Let's flip these over first. And let's start with a little bit of sauce on the backside. Brush that right in. Yeah. The candy coating. I'd love to put these out on the barbecue, but it's pissing rain out there. We're going to stay right here because I was going to go to the barbecue. It's raining. I didn't really care about the rain, but there are many people who don't have a barbecue. So I want to show you how to do these in the oven, okay? Make sure these are nice and covered in our nice Coca-Cola based barbecue sauce. Look at that. This is going to be a candy coating like no other. Beautiful. I mean, I love what we're seeing here. And in the oven, these are going to go. Going to keep just a touch. Okay. And in the broiler, under the broiler, okay, on high. Sure. Okay, now remember, our ribs are under the broiler. We got to keep our eye on them. We're only looking to get that nice candy coating on top. We certainly don't want them to burn. But these, remember, are Coca-Cola based ribs. These are going to be spectacular. I know it. I'm just anxious to try them. It's late, but that's okay. I'm going to take them down anyways. How are we doing? Fire! Fire! Do you know what that means? Fire? I want to get right in. I want to get right in right now. We need a dish. All right, hello. We're going to go right there on the, check them out. Bring you in a closer look. You know these are gonna cut like butter. I should be waiting because they're so bloody hot, but I can't wait. I can't wait any longer. Look, they're still steaming, but to hell with it, man. I'm gonna get right in. That's a bone right there. We can't, they cut like butter. Look, there's a bone. The bone. Oh, that's the one I'm gonna try. Oh, there's a bone right at the end. We don't want that in there. These are gonna be so good. These are gonna be so good. Let's go. Coca-Cola barbecue baby back ribs. Check that out. Juicy like Lucy. I love that line. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh. Boom. They're off the charts. Like the bone is clean. You guys have got to try these. Coca-Cola ribs. You got to wash it down with a fresh Coca-Cola. Cheers. Fantastic. Don't even need the knife. I mean, check this out. Like, we're talking, that's how good and tender these ribs are. I can pull them. Look, that's 2 in a row right off the bone. I'm left with all the meat. You know those ribs are tender when they're coming off the bone, and the bone is clean, just like that. I mean, come on.